Hey everybody, welcome back. It is still Thursday, February 23rd, 2017, and this is the stuff from my second trip to Rite today, where I completely screwed up. So I had partner offers on this card for 200 points when you spend $10 on Rite brand oral care, and 100 points when you spend $8 on Rite snacks and candy. I think it's funny how they always seem to pair the snacks and candy with the oral coupons. I just noticed that. I don't know, I find it funny. Um, so I also I had a receipt coupon for like $2.50 off of a $10 oral care purchase or Rite Aid brand oral care purchase, and I had that 5 off 20 Rite Aid brand coupon that we all got in the email. And what else did I have? I had $8 off of a $40 non-prescription purchase, so I was stacking a lot of stuff. What I messed up was the oral care is not part of Points Blizzard, and my idiot self thought that it was. So, not part of Points Blizzard. Luckily, it's stuff that I will use because we go through a ridiculous amount of mouthwash, and all of these are the store brand versions of the mouthwashes that we use. We give away all the Colgate except for the Optic White. That's the only Colgate that anyone uses, and I don't use that one. Everybody else does. But the rest of them we give away because we don't like them. I'm very picky about mouthwash. So I'm going to keep them even though this was a complete and total screw up. So let's go through what I got anyway. Alright, so the oral care stuff, it's this mouthwash, there's floss, there's toothbrushes, I think I saw toothpaste, and those toothbrush protectors. So if you have that receipt coupon, it was like $1.50 off or $2 off or something like that, a 10-pack I think. So those are included, so you have use for that coupon. Mine had expired, and before I found out that they actually still work, I chucked it. So no toothbrush covers for me. I think I'll survive. Alright, so there's the dog. So I got 3 of that kind and 2 of that kind. I would have preferred more, but they didn't have any more of those, so I took what I could get, and I got 3 of those. They're all alcohol free because I can't stand the mouthwash with alcohol in it. It hurts my mouth. So these were 2 for $3, or 2 for $6, so $3 each. I bought 8 of them, so that's $24 in mouthwash that I thought was going towards Blizzard points. Are we seeing the huge problem here? This is just such an epic fail. Like sometimes my failure videos are more popular than my really good deal videos, so I don't know. Alright, so that took care of my partner offer times 2 on oral care, right? Okay. So then the other partner offer was 100 points on $8 in Rite Aid brand snacks and candy. So I got Grumpy Shopper his beef jerky, and I got Grumpy Shopper his gummy worms, and these are on sale for $2.99. I had Picky Eater with me when I was at the store tonight. I don't mention her a whole lot. She's kind of like Junior Grumpy Shopper. She doesn't really like anything I ever get, so she had seen these the week that we had the trail mix as part of the deal. There was a load to card coupon. So she saw these, but they were like $7 or something, and I was not buying them. This week, excuse me, losing my voice, they're on sale for $2.99, so I told her she could get 2. and somehow I ended up with 3. But I didn't notice this until I got home, so now I have 3. So the flavors are interesting. I hope, you know, they're good, because I'm gonna be annoyed. I spent it, not, you know, I like that kind of thing, so I'll probably take those or some of those. But these, I don't know. Coupon or training can't eat these because of the peanuts. So anyway, those are. I was not confused about these. This was intentional to make her happy. Alright, and then the combos are part of Points Blizzard, and they were like buy one get one free or buy one get one 50% off. Let me see. Somewhere on here. They're buy one get one free. They're $2.49. So $2.49 towards Points Blizzard, and you get a bag for free. I had a $1 off 2 coupon. I must have used it because I could not find it anywhere. So I must have used that somewhere else. Maybe at CVS or ShopRite or so. I don't know. I used it somewhere because I don't have it now. Oh, and I was thirsty, so the Arizona iced tea is 99 cents, and it's buy one get one free. Not part of Points Blizzard. I was just thirsty, and you only see one because I drank the other one on the way home. So this is what I got, and despite the fact, well, actually no, on top of the oh god, alright, on top of the fact that this stuff wasn't part of Points Blizzard and completely screwed up everything that I had planned, the partner offers only came off once, even though they usually come off twice. And I did buy the right, there we go, I did buy the right amount of stuff. So I guess I have to contact Plenty and ask why that is, because I did buy enough for it to come off twice, and usually even if they're in the app, they come off twice. So I don't know what happened there. But yeah, as you can see, I haven't even hit Points Blizzard. I have 9.49. So yeah, and I have almost 50, I think, in allergy on this card. Oh, come on, focus, focus, focus. 46.36. So let me do some quick mental math. I don't know. I'll probably do the clear eyes on here, which will count towards Point Blizzard and the allergy rewards. And this time of year I go through a lot of eye drops because spring hates me. Alright, so that's everything I bought on this trip. This trip was a complete and total failure, but on the bright side, all of this will get used and eaten and will make pretty much everyone in the house happy in one way or another. So I suppose that's good. And I'll quote Plenty about the offers, but that doesn't fix the fact that I messed up and that wasn't part of Blizzard points, so oops. But at least, you know, I'll use it. I'm not lugging all these back to the store. They'll just get used. Like I said, ridiculous amount of mouthwash gets used here. Okay, so that's it for Rite Aid. I'm gonna do a quick video on what I got at ShopRite, and then I'm done for the night. Don't forget to like if you enjoy my rambling videos where I screw up couponing deals on a weekly basis. And subscribe if you really like them. And I'll see you guys in the next video.